Hello everyone, I'm taking this opportunity to explain the Trello board which your group is expected to create. Like I mentioned earlier during the introductory meeting that during this course we will be using Trello board, and that will serve as a main hub or central point for the communication between supervisor and student. So each group shall create a Trello board and invite me by using my either official address or by using the tag you can see on the screen @Forum Shahzad Raja, and you invite me as a collaborator, so if I need to write some comments or anything I can do that on the Trello board also. About the structure of Trello board, you can see that I have two pictures here. The first picture contains the week 36 and week 37, and there is a slight difference between week 36 and 37. So the Trello board should contain different lists, and each list should represent a week. Like in this picture, this is week 36 and 37, and you will have this up to week 37 to week 43. So because the last week is actually for the examination, so we will stop 1 week before that. We will stop our weekly meetings. So then from week 37 to onward, each list will contain the similar cards, except the week 36, it contains two extra cards, which is ID and document link. Rest of all the lists are actually quite similar to each other. So what is idea here? Idea card is used to actually keep your finalized idea. Once you have finalized your idea, you will simply use this idea card there. You will write whatever the idea has been final there. You can do it in two ways. Either you can, if you click on the card on the right hand side, there is an image you can see. So you can write the idea in your description, and then we have any communication or discussion, we can have that in comments. Or you can write your idea in a shared document and then put the link in the description. Document link, we are talking about the document which we are expected to create at the end of this course. So we will be writing the report throughout the course, and we will be updating it very regularly and frequently. So what you need to do is that you create a shared document. It could be a Google Docs document, or it could be a Microsoft document somewhere on given Microsoft services by Mune, but you need to share this document with me, and of course you need to give me some rights also, so I can download it, I can read it, and I can write my comments on it. So I will download this document roughly every Sunday and provide my feedback according to the state of the document every week. So, and then this document, like I said, that it will be continuously updated. At the end, this will serve as your final report also. Meeting time and meeting status. Meeting time, whatever the slot you pick, we will simply write it here. For the next week, we will just write yes or no. That means either meeting has been conducted or not. And for the later, if you want to change the like meeting time due to some reason or anything, or meeting has been cancelled by someone, then we will write the status over there. Although please remember, although I have suggested to create week 36 and 37, but we are actually starting our meetings from week 38. But this is just to keep the things in a same order from start to end. That's why we are in need of having the list for week 37 also. Then feedback, whatever will be your document updated. I will write my feedback, and I will upload my feedback here. I will upload the document here, and if there is something more to write in text, I will write that also here. So then you can actually have a look on it, and if you have any question about the feedback, you can ask me here also. For example, if you missed some point during the meeting or you need a clarification after the meeting, always feel free to write in the card. And how would you write it? You will go into the comments, you write whatever the question is or the point is, and then please tag me. For tagging, you will use this @ and then you will see all the members of the board and you can tag me. The tag will actually help to get notified. Then I would know, okay, I have a message to read. If you don't tag me, I will never know that you left a message for me. Okay, then we have in progress. So all the activities which are in the progress, you will write about them. For example, you could say that, yeah, this much number of papers are still being in search or being studied or whatever. Then to do, what are your plans for the next week? You are going to write them here. Then done, you have to write what were your plans for the last week and how many of them have you on the milestones you have achieved last week. Backlog, if something was planned but haven't been achieved and it has been pending since long, you can write in the backlog. Then the log, yes, log means whatever the changes have been occurred in the document, you need to update me. In the start, the document would be very thin, but as the time passes, the document will become very heavy. It will not be possible practically to find all the changes, except that I have to use some version control or anything. So the easier way is that you indicate me what are the changes. So one way could be that you write your changes. The other way could be you can adopt a color scheme. You want to show me that this is a new text. We want you to focus on this. Fine, this is in the blue color. This color shows that we have written this text, but we want to have a discussion about it. We are not sure about it, or this is under consideration. And then this color shows, for example, black shows that this is a text which has been checked and is being finalized. I don't need to put effort on that one. And then the last card, very important one. If you have any question, you want to discuss any point, you can write it here. We will continuously have our discussions over there. And if you have any question or anything, you're welcome to ask the question in the module form also. If you think that a question is like more generic and it can help anyone, please always write it in the module form. Otherwise, if the question is specific, use your Trello board, tag me, and then we will see that how the discussion goes on. Thank you very much.